If you want to manifest something 10x faster, then you have to start practicing identity shifting. Hi you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyotsna, and in today's video I wanted to talk all about identity shifting because I think this is something super essential for anyone who wants to manifest things faster. Just 2 days ago I had a client call and she wanted to manifest her dream job, and she was telling me how no matter how much she's chasing, no matter how much she's trying hard, she's putting in all the effort, she's doing all the techniques that are discussed in Get That Dream Job workbook, but nothing seems to work. And that's when I told her that why are you seeing your dream job as something that is different from your identity? Why are you chasing something instead of embodying the energy of someone who already has it? Identity shifting is when you don't see your desires separate from your identity. Just to give you a simple example, I am someone who wants to have my dream body. So the more I consume content, the more I obsess about it, the more I keep looking at people with my dream body, I am nudging my subconscious mind and giving evidence to my subconscious mind that I don't have my dream body, I'm nowhere close to it. But let's say I identify myself as someone who has a dream body, and in my mind, I'm thinking, I have my dream body, I just have to maintain it. And then I start taking all the aligned and inspired action based on someone who has their dream body and wants to maintain it, like maybe going to the gym or maybe eating 1 or 2 healthy meals each day instead of consuming unhealthy food. That is me giving evidence to my subconscious mind that I already have my dream body and I am just doing everything I can in my 3D in order to maintain it. The reason why inspired or aligned action is so powerful is your subconscious mind does not understand the difference between what's real and what's imagined. So whatever you do, whatever habits you're embodying, whatever routine you're following, whatever thoughts you're having throughout the day, your subconscious mind is automatically going to think this is your identity, this is who you are. So the more you start seeing your desires as something separate from your identity, and the more you start chasing something, even if it's a specific person, even if it's a dream job, even if it's a career you want to have and you don't have it currently, and you keep obsessing about it, you keep looking at other people's pictures, posts, videos, all of that, that is you telling your subconscious mind that you lack it and it is absent in your life. All you want to do is shift into a version of someone who already has everything that they want. This is where you use a law of assumption. You start assuming that everything is part of your identity already. Just think, how would the best version of yourself show up every single day, and just embody those habits, follow that routine, and take whatever inspired action that nudges you or you feel a calling to do. You are basically going to do that and be disciplined and consistent about it. Of course, you have to regulate your nervous system. Of course, you need to have a strict mental diet. That is something that you cannot avoid. But other than that, you also have to embody the energy of someone who is the best version of yourself. For example, the best version of myself would always wake up at 8 a.m. The best version of myself would have a slow morning routine. She'll have and enjoy her cup of coffee every day. She'll journal, do some gratitude journaling, do some scripting, start off the day with that. Your routine is something that you define and you assume. Let's say your dream job is to be a business analyst. If you're a business analyst, what time do you have to wake up? What kind of things do you have to, read? Maybe you have to read materials, maybe you have to study something, maybe you have to read blogs related to that. You have to wake up, get ready before 9 o'clock because you have to go into the office. Basically start embodying the identity of someone who's a business analyst even before they get a business analyst role, because you are tricking your subconscious mind into thinking it's already there, it's already a reality. Because your subconscious mind, as soon as it sees evidence or it sees you taking that inspired action, it's going to believe whatever you tell it. It's going to believe that, of course, this person's already a business analyst, of course this person already has their dream job. That is what you do. It is all about embodiment. It is all about you embodying the energy of someone who already has it even when they don't have it. It's all about tricking your subconscious mind at the end of the day. I know that the best version of myself always leads with purpose. I know the best version of myself is always looking at ways to help people, to bring joy to people. And in order to do that, I have to give evidence to my subconscious mind. I'm always going to the library, reading books, I'm up leveling, I'm always consuming content that I know is going to help me and is going to help my clients. I always make sure that I'm up leveling, because the best version of myself would never be stagnant. She would never be in the same place that she was, and she will always look at ways to evolve. So you have to figure out what the best version or the highest version of yourself would be like and start embodying and taking aligned action based on that every day. That's how you shift your identity. That's how you show your subconscious mind that you are ready to conquer the world. Every single thing that I literally did, I was a beginner, whether it was making YouTube videos, whether it was making my course Manifest Instantly, whether it was writing my book, Get That Dream Job Workbook, which is a bestseller right now. That's literally the first workbook that I wrote, and that is a bestseller right now on Topmate as well as on Stan Store. Not like I'm highly qualified, it's just coming from my personal experiences, and I am just teaching the techniques that work for me. Foundation has always been self concept and identity shifting. My clients, whether it was to manifest their specific person, to manifest their dream job, in order to manifest their dream career or their dream business, whatever the goal, the end goal was, they made sure that they were identifying themselves as someone who already has it and normalize that feeling in their day to day life currently, even when they know that it's not possible for them. So, if you start embodying the version of yourself who already has whatever they want, normalize it in your life right now. I will literally not even be surprised if you get something in a week or in less than 2 weeks. It's gonna be that easy for you. So, start shifting your state, start tapping into an identity of yourself who already has their desires. Stop seeing your desires as something separate from you. Start seeing it as part of your identity and just follow habits, follow a routine that would be related to the best version of yourself, and just watch how your life is going to shift. All the things you desire, all the things you want to get, it is going to instantly come to you. You will start attracting the best opportunities, the best people at lightning speed when you do that. In case you want more techniques and methods on how you can manifest at lightning speed, you can also check out my course Manifest Instantly. It's available on my Stan Store page. So that was it for today's video, you guys. I hope this was useful. Lots of love, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.